welcome back to the channel. This is the second episode of the repairing the BMW M5 F90 from our client in Poland, guys. Today we are in body shop and we can check what the work was done for the last 2 weeks, guys. This car was previously repaired but not very good, and the repair was not finished. The previous owner decided not to finish the job in the previous repair shop because he wasn't satisfied with this quality. So that's why we had the chance to repair these cars and to make this car looks like original again, even better, because we are going to install some carbon elements extended and maybe some intake exhaust. The car is in body shop. We had to repair the front left fender, front bonnet, the trunk cover, the side skirts, and the left quarter fully have to be painted because it was installed brand new with the basic layer but not locked. I can show you a little bit closer the situation. Let's check it. You can see the quarter was connected here. It was a bad connection. Guys, everything sanded and put the basic epoxy layer already. Also, the body shop guys applied the sealant. Now it looks from like very good, like the factory sealant. Also, you can check all connections on the back. The sealant looks very good. Everything will be painted and will be visible like original condition, like from the factory. You can check all the work. I hope it will be very good like factory edition, because there is no other chance for this. So let's back to the front, and the front also was damaged. We can see the connection joints in these places. Also guys applied the sealant. Everything is okay, just needs to be painted. Also guys have measured, the car is straight, the dimensions are okay, so the previous body job was done. So the next step guys, will paint these here elements. The bonnet is with the new basic epoxy layer. Guys, with the help of acid, took off full basic layer of paint with epoxy grunt also. It was whole aluminum because previous paint job was very poor, so we decided to take off the paint from the bonnet and from the fender also. So we are waiting for these parts for tomorrow to come back. Guys, will put everything here, and I think next week the car should be going to the paint procedure. So soon, very soon, we will see how this car looks, not stripped off but everything back together. This car drives awesome. We repaired already the wiring here because this water pump was disconnected and all the wires were damaged. Our electric team from BTC Performance repaired everything. So the next step will be only to finish this paint, to install the horns, to install the front rudders, and to put bumpers, side skirts, the trunk cover, bonnet, and everything will be okay, everything will be driving. So stay tuned. If you like this video, push the thumbs up button, and see you guys in the next videos.